Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring power and proximity. Charge both AirPods and the case to at least 50% and keep the headset within 3 meters. Once done, clean the speaker meshes gently with a dry, soft brush so dirt isn't causing static. Then, on your paired device, toggle Bluetooth off and restart the device. This clears transient radio glitches. Make sure to keep other wireless gadgets away while you test. Interference often sounds like static, so eliminate nearby sources first. Next, you remove the old link. Forget the AirPods in Bluetooth settings and then repair them. This rebuilds a clean connection. Once paired, check the firmware version in your device settings. Updates often fix audio artifacts, so install any available update. If problems persist, reset the AirPods by holding the case setup button until the light flashes amber then white. This clears internal caches. After resetting, repair again and test. Resetting often eliminates software corruption that manifests as static. Finally, isolate the source. Test the AirPods with a second device to see if static follows the headset or stays with the original phone. If static appears only on one bud, try single AirPod playback and inspect the charging contact for corrosion. Sometimes poor contact causes noise. Make sure Bluetooth audio codec settings match device capabilities. Mismatched codecs can produce artifacts. If none of these steps cure the static, arrange Apple support or warranty service. Hardware faults need professional repair or replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.